Hurry up. Down, down on the ground. Down on the ground. Right side.
Get down.
Right side.
Put your hands out in front of you. Put your hands out.
Hands behind your back. Go ahead with the kid. Go ahead. Get the kid.
Which one you
Stay down. Just don't move. Don't move.
Okay.
Folks, clear out, please. Clear. Move.
Hey, just walk up. If you that, go ahead and handcuff. Be careful with the child. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Can I ask why I'm being detained?
We'll get to that in a minute.
Fire copy both people in custody, 14 minutes.
Hey, go ahead and get up.
He's good? You good there?
Go ahead and get up. Alright, let's get you on the other side. We're gonna walk into these vehicles.
Get his phone, get his phone.
Yeah, he's good. We're gonna get you up. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Sit up.
I hope they told you pulled out a knife on me. You know, I'm eating with my family.
No, you ready to stand up?
I have to stand up.
Yeah, I got it.
Turn on.
We're walking back to my car.
Yeah.
Alright, so whose car is this right here? Wherever the closest car is, so we put him in. Alright, boy. Watch these cars right here. Put the white one in the truck.
You didn't do nothing. You pulled out a knife on me. You swung at me. Right around, right?
Don't put him out. I got CSO. Neely, unlock the car.
Did they show y'all the video?
We'll get to that in a minute, sir.
To show up, and you got also with you. You still wearing the same clothes? Very sure, like black
Hey,
or
I got a CSO.
dark.
Hold on, what about
I got a
this one?
CSO in there.
That's it for
Yeah.
black
With
shorts,
my brother on the phone, I can't tell him.
white t-shirt.
You want me?
Dark color shirt.
Hello?
With the exact same coloring. Gold, khaki
Where's
shorts.
he on there?
Hello? You just hang on.
Yeah, Milwaukee, sir.
Hey, Clark, is that juvenile? Were they supposed to have a child with them?
What's that?
Yeah.
I mean, you're gonna have to make it where I can't put it in front of
Wait, so we call my brother for my daughter?
You can call your brother. That's fine. She's there.
I'm under arrest or something?
You're being detained right now for an investigation.
Damn, bro. It's this one right here.
What's up, man? Good night.
Yeah, man, I can't complain, man.
You good there?
We're going to show coming through?
Yeah.
Awesome, so. He's having a hard time getting there. Oh, so no. That's fine. He can stay out here right now. Yeah. Something gonna be on the way. Yeah. Got your money on your man. I don't want you to lose that money.
We're not, baby. We're not. We're okay.
We're good. We're here for you.
Yeah, just be patient with us for a minute, all right? We'll get you out. What's that?
I'll smoke a cigarette.
Sounds
I'm
good to
going
me.
to show you this is the key to my car.
Oh, is that okay?
And unlock all doors, start the engine. The
Okay.
doors are unlocked right now.
Okay.
That's the handle.
You good? You good? Yeah, you're supposed to say, we'll be out of your way in a minute. Yes, sir.
Somebody put water on the floor, give somebody piss it. You know what I'm saying? You put the top on the wall. I left to the escalator, he's slapping my car. Right around my car.
Right up here. Hey, she can get out. Oh, yeah, you're good. Okay, you're good. You're fine. If you want to, we can consolidate them right here.
All right, yeah, consolidate them here.
Okay. All right, bro.
Then I'll get out of the way.
Yeah, baby's right there. All right.
You stand by with her? Then I'll move out of the way.
Top 43.
543.
Is Whiskey 681, is she available to be 51?
She's on the Sentinel 63 ascertain. She said she can't go because she's 1015.
10-4. Is there an available 1093 unit that can do 51 in reference to search